munch, munch, munch. C is for carrot, munch, munch, munch. Carrot. D is for dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Spiky and pink. D is for dragon fruit, spiky and pink. Dragon fruit. E is for eggplant, eggplant. Purple and proud. E is for eggplant, purple and proud. Eggplant. F is for fig, fig, fig. Soft and sweet. F is for fig, soft and sweet. Fig. G is for grape, 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 grape. Pop, pop, pop. G is for grape, pop, pop. Grape. H is for honeydew, honeydew. Cool and green. H is for honeydew, cool and green. Honeydew. I is for iceberg lettuce, iceberg, iceberg. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I is for iceberg lettuce, crunch, crunch. Iceberg. J is for jalapeno, jalapeno. Spicy, hot, hot. J is for jalapeno, hot, hot. Jalapeno. K is for kiwi, kiwi. Fuzzy and sweet. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and sweet. Kiwi. L is for lemon, lemon, lemon. Sour and bright. L is for lemon, sour and bright. Lemon. M is for mango, mango. Juicy and gold. M is for mango, juicy and gold. Mango. N is for nut, nut, nut. Crunchy snack. N is for nut, crunchy snack. Nut. O is for orange, orange. Peel and squeeze. O is for orange, peel and squeeze. Orange. P is for pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Spiky and sweet. P is for pineapple, spiky and sweet. Pineapple. Q is for queens, queens. Golden and firm. Q is for queen, golden and firm. Kings. R is for radish, radish. Red and crisp. R is for radish, red and crisp. Radish. S is for strawberry, strawberry. Juicy and red. S is for strawberry, juicy and red. Strawberry. T is for tomato, tomato. Tomato and red. T is for tomato, round and red. Tomato. U is for ugly fruit, ugly fruit. Bumpy but sweet. U is for ugly fruit, bumpy but sweet. Ugly fruit. V is for velvet onion, velvet, velvet. Peel the layers. V is for velvet onion, peel the layers. Velvet onion. W is for watermelon, watermelon. Watermelon, big and juicy. W is for watermelon, big and juicy. Watermelon. X is for Siminia, Taminia. Tangy treat. X is for Siminia, tangy treat. Mini. Y is for yellow pepper, yellow, yellow. Crunchy and bright. Y is for yellow pepper, crunchy and bright. Yellow pepper. Z is for zucchini, zucchini, zucchini. Long and green. Z is for zucchini, long and green. Zucchini.
A is for atoms. Whoa! 2, 1, 2, 3, whoa! B is for apple. B is for banana. C is for carrot. D is for dragon fruit. E is for eggplant. F is for fig. G is for grape. H is for honeydew. I is for iceberg lettuce. J is for jalapeno. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. M is for mango. N is for nut. O is for orange. P is for pineapple. Q is for quinset. R is for radish. S is for strawberry. T is for tomato. U is for ugly fruit. V is for velvet onion. W is for watermelon. X is for camellia. Y is for yellow pepper. Z is for zucchini. Let's count the animals. Come on, let's begin from number 1 to number 10. One little monkey. Monkey swings from tree to tree. One monkey, swing, swing, swing. Two long snakes. Snakes go hiss and wiggle and shake. Two snakes, hiss, hiss, hiss. Three cute cats. They go meow and chase some hats. Three cats, meow, meow, meow. Four big tigers running fast like jungle riders. Four tigers, roar, roar, roar. Five slow turtles walking slow in purple circles. Five turtles, step, step, step. Let's count again, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go. Six bright parrots, colorful wings and noisy chatter. Six parrots, squawk, squawk, squawk. Seven sweet birds, tweeting out their happy words. Seven birds, tweet, tweet, tweet. Eight little fish, swimming fast with a silver swish. Eight fish, blub, blub, blub. Nine quick squirrels, jumping trees and doing twirls. Nine squirrels, chatter, chatter, chatter. 10 happy dogs, running around through fields and fog. 10 dogs, woof, woof, woof. We counted them from 1 to 10. Let's sing again and count again.
Welcome to ABC Fun World. Let's sing and learn with joy. Come along, little girls and boys. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that rolls on your feet. C is for cat that purrs so fine. D is for drum, let's keep the time. Boom, boom. A, B, C, come sing with me. Let's learn together. 1, 2, 3. Colors and letters, numbers too. A, B, C, fun worlds made for you. Hey, 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 made for you.
E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims along. G is for giraffe with a neck so high. H is for hat you wear on your sky.
I is for ice cream, so cold. J is for jumpy, brave and bold. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry.
Raw.
A, B, C, come sing with me. Let's learn together. 1, 2, 3. Colors and letters, numbers too. A, B, C, fun worlds made for you. Yeah, 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 we love you. Red, yellow, green, and blue, colors all around me and you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we go. 6 to 10, now nice and slow.
1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3.
giant claws.
Claws.
C is for cow.
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 Moo moo in the field.
Moo.
Milk is what she yields.
Yum.
D is for deer.
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 Leaping high and free.
Wee.
Fast as fast can be.
Zoom.
E is for elephant.
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 Big long trunk goes swish.
Swish.
Drops just like a dish.
Trump.
F is for fox.
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 Orange tail so fine.
Fine.
Sneaky in the pine.
Pine.
G is for giraffe.
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 Neck so tall and proud.
Tall.
Almost in the cloud.
Wow.
H is for hedgehog.
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 Rolls into a ball.
Ball.
Spikes that don't fall.
Small.
I is for iguana.
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 Climbs up trees so green.
Green.
Coolest lizard seen.
Yeah.
J is for jellyfish.
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 Floating in the sea.
Wee.
Wiggly jiggly free.
Free.
K is for kangaroo.
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 Hop and hop.
Hop.
Never gonna stop.
Pop.
L is for lion. Lion. Mighty mane so gold.
Gold.
Roar so brave and bold.
Row.
M is for monkey.
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 Swings from tree to tree.
Wee.
Bananas just for me.
Yum.
N is for numbat.
Numbat.
Dunna numbat.
Numbat.
Licks up bugs real quick.
Quick.
Tail so bushy thick.
Thick.
O is for owl.
Owl.
Oh, owl.
Owl.
Hoots when night is near.
Who?
Flies without a fear.
Woo.
P is for penguin.
Penguin.
Pup, penguin.
Penguin.
Slides on icy ground.
Wee.
Waddles all around.
Round.
Q is for quail.
Quail.
Quack, quail.
Quail.
Bobs its little head.
Bop.
Hides where flowers spread.
Pop.
R is for raccoon.
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 Creeps at night with flair.
Sneak.
Stripy tail in air.
Peek.
S is for sheep.
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 Wool so white and fluff.
Soft.
Bah, that's not enough.
Bah.
T is for turtle. Turtle. Slow but full of charm.
Smile.
Carries his own farm.
Home.
U is for unicorn.
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 Sparkle in the sky.
Shine.
Magic gallop by.
Fly.
V is for vampire bat.
Vampire.
Vampire bat.
Bat.
Glides through silent dark.
Zoom.
Never leaves a mark.
Boo. Boo.
A is for heddle. Well. Sings beneath the tide.
Ooh.
Ocean's peaceful rise.
Slide.
X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish.
Fish.
You can see right through.
Wow.
Glows in water blue.
True.
Y is for yak.
Yak.
Yak. Hairy and so bold.
Cold.
Lives where it's cold. Z is for zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra. Skirts go blocked and whines.
Fine.
Gallus not tonight.
Chit. Woo. Yeah. Let's go. From A to Z, come rap with me. Say the letter, then the animal. Easy. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cow. Moo. D is for deer. Leap. E is for elephant. Stomp. F is for fox. Quick and slick. G is for giraffe. So tall. H is for hedgehog. Tiny ball. I is for iguana. Crawling high. J is for jellyfish. Float and by.